What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go fishing around the neighborhood. Hope to catch some bass with my friend Austin. Go check out his account on YouTube, AIF Fishing. And he's not here yet. We're gonna wait till he gets here, and I'll catch you guys at the
so
lake.
we're at the spot. This is Austin.
Yep,
And
I already have a fish.
I already have a fish right here. Nice, like pounder. So we're just gonna keep fishing and show you guys what we catch. So let's get on to it. Smack that subscribe button as hard as you can. It's like when you smack your brother or sister. You want to smack that button so hard. And you also gotta smash that like button.
You also gotta go undidi what that.
Yeah. Smash it. Smash both buttons. All three buttons. Notifications, subscribe button, and the like button. Click all of them. Because, I post this content for you guys.
Oh, guys, I'm actually gonna have Dang it, come on. What? Oh, dang it. Chris, where you going? You can't see. So mean. Your fans. Your 3 subscribers or something. How much you have? How much you have? 2? 3? 120 maybe.
Usually this place gives us a whole bunch of fish. And Austin's got my line like a fatty. We're trying to make this account go more viral than his account. Right now he's in the lead with 120 subscribers.
He has 3 guys.
And I've got 3. Come on, guys, you gotta subscribe. YouTube says only 0% of you are subscribed. So, all those viewers out there, subscribe.
Dang it.
Oh, he just
God,
lost
damn it.
one.
Come on, man. Give it. What's so funny? I'll hook you guys too who are watching. Oh, jeez. Sorry, guys. Just fishing out here. Not having too much luck, but
Your tackle boxes are on.
oh yeah, I actually didn't have mine on. Maybe because we need weights, or maybe just change up the bait.
To what?
Tupperware. Oh, why always go down here when you
I
said?
lost one, bro. I lost one.
Shut up. Oh, I should probably put on a blooper. I should actually. Let me check my bait before I put on the blooper. Pooper scooper.
We're gonna be fishing out here a while, trying to catch as much fish as we can. It's gonna be sunset in a few hours.
I'll put on the blooper, I swear. I'm actually putting on the blooper. It's a bait.
I've got a challenge.
What?
Whoever catches the next fish, the person who doesn't catch the fish has to go in the water.
Okay. I already do that every day, so I don't care.
That's the challenge. In the comments, who do you think's gonna win?
Guys, I'm using a blooper. So
Right now, pause the video. In the comments, comment down below who's gonna win.
Connor's bait right here, so. I don't know how he got a Coogan's got a popper. how he got this. Probably a subscription. He probably got shouted out by Google Squad. I think Connor's actually better than Chris. So I just want to see a challenge. Who's better, Colton or Chris? Right after you said, oh, I told you who's better, you or Colton. I asked Colton the question. He said he's better than you. We gotta see a challenge one day. Who do you think's better, Chris?
Me, I'm better than Colton, if you're watching this video, I'm better than fishing than you.
We're gonna see one day. Looper, let's see what this thing looks like. Pretty good. First pass. I'm gonna walk up a little bit. Right there. You need a perfect fettuccine Alfredo angle. Oh, right there. Oh my god, they're so soft, guys. I got my phone. Wait, does someone have money in my pocket? Where's my money at? Oh, it's in my pocket. I should probably put my bag.
Bro, what?
Chris, I'm back.
I need a new rod.
Chris about to go ham. Ham. Guys, I gotta put my money and stuff in my
Watch
bag.
this video so I could get money so I could buy a new fishing pole. I could start my own merch so you guys could buy it.
Yeah, he is busting merch.
Yeah. Me and Austin, we're trying to start our own bait company. Once we get more subscribers and more famous, it's called Bussin' Baits.
I'm more famous on live. We're kind of out in the middle today. Actually, we're over there where it's not like that. Oh my god! Connor's freaking blooper! He's freaking underwater right now, just trying to eat my bait.
That was a good video.
I could probably go.
Bro.
I remember
I got rod wrapped.
rod wrapped.
Sometimes I just want to just eat the bait like a fish does, see how it feels.
Any fish out here today? Guys, we're struggling. Please like the video.
Does that thing even work?
Yeah, free time out. Face doesn't look like it. Ah! Look at it, it does work.
Let me take off my hat.
It's literally a popper. Oh!
He lost one because oh my
I
god.
swear to God!
He wasn't paying attention.
Freaking Chris give a hair. Freaking like Crosby.
Yeah, for some reason he likes looking at my hair. I don't know, guys. Don't be too jealous. I know it's pretty hard to get blonde hair as good as mine. That looks like Austin's about to eat his bait.
Oh, it's the guy with rods. I guess his blooper does snag. Hopefully the fish comes back. Oh, they're freaking bad.
You know, out here fishing, trying to catch some fish.
Guys, that was crazy.
What you doing over there? Tell me if this spot looks good to you guys.
Last time
Look how good that spot looks.
full of extra ice. I didn't know it was
Alright guys, we're still out here. I changed my bait and I'm now using a whopper plopper. And Austin's just over here chowing down on a Senko worm. For some reason, just put it in his mouth and started eating it. So we're gonna see if the whopper plopper works. And he just actually just swallowed plastic.
actually really good. They're so salty.
He just swallowed the whole worm. That is absolutely nasty. There's something wrong with you.
They're so good. They're so salty too. It's like a gummy worm actually. Honestly, I might eat more. For a smash. Whoa, pretty fussy.
Did you actually swallow it?
Yeah. So, it's a little bit ingredients.
I swear.
I swear. A little bit, is it? Oh,
you please subscribe. I need money. This kid's gonna his medical bill is gonna be pretty high. He's now gonna have artificial dinner.
I'm gonna poop it out. I can use it again. Can't eat it again after I poop it out.
You're weird, bro. Fish today.
Yeah, we're done, guys. Okay, go to poop.
That's it for today, guys. Sorry we didn't really catch any fish. But I hope you guys still like the content. So we'll see you guys in the next one.